Gotta find my way to you, even though you're next to me. No matter what I do, your heart is drifting out of reach. Head underwater, I'm swimming harder, trying to keep this alive. Gotta find my way to you, now that our love has capsized.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video is a vlog. You're spending a day in my life here. I just finished creating a content, and what do you guys think about my skin? I just did skincare, a shower routine, and I really turned my house upside down because I was looking for something. I'm going to show you guys in a bit. Yeah, the big girl is here. She's playing with her doll. So if you're new here, hi, welcome. My name is Jessica Chonovek. I'm a Nigerian YouTuber based in Nigeria, Abuja, and I'm a mom of one, married to a Slovak. If this is what you're interested in, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video, and also like and comment and share. So far, let's get started in today's vlog. Yeah, it's already after 1 or so thereabout, so I'm just starting this vlog here today. Yeah, so let's get started. Guys, this is what I'm talking about. I scattered everywhere. Look at, just take a look. See, madam is right there. See my bed, everything is scattered. So I'm going to be arranging all this now before I do another thing. Gimme. Yeah, so please keep on watching. Close this, please. Yeah, I cover your baby. So guys, I am done. So finish everywhere. So fam, this is Nuna Chiso's room. She has scattered it. I may scatter this one, sha. But all these other ones, now she's scattered. Putting the blame on my daughter, classical. So this is her room. Oh, I need to put down the bed so that she can start sleeping in her room. This bed is too high for her. Yes. So this bed is too high for her. I need to put it down. So I'm looking for her to move the other one to put it down. Yeah, so let me arrange this room. This is all folded. I sorted out. Put this one here. Arrange the shoe. excited now.
So these are my gadgets then, where I jot down my YouTube inspiration and the rest. Just put them here. Because speaking. Her storybook. Keep them here. Which does not cut tight. Guys, remember this book? I'm still reading it. I'm almost done. It's not book
Done, bed done, drawer done, everywhere is done, toys packed. Yeah, so I'm done. So far for the kitchen, I've already washed the dishes. I'm just going to arrange this one and look for what I want to eat. Yeah, baby girl already. Me has already eaten breakfast. I'm going to look for what I'm going to eat for lunch. She had pancake for breakfast, banana pancake for breakfast. I'm going to just clear the kitchen area and sweep and mop, and I'm done. I've already done the toilet and the bathroom because I don't want to show you those side. It's gonna be like a deep cleaning something. I don't have that strength to vlog cleaning the toilet and the bathroom. So it's just some little cleanup in my house before. But just what I do. Anyway, let's keep on watching. So far, in the process of me doing my cleaning, they have taken my lights, so I'll just do them off camera, and then I'll come back when I want to eat my lunch. Yeah, so please keep on watching, guys. This is the struggle we have as a content creator in Nigeria. Because of lights, we struggle with lights. So please watch my ads, please super chat me, please send me a thanks to appreciate my video for all the effort I put in the videos. Yeah, so yeah. Please keep on watching, guys. Guys, I'm done mopping, sweeping, everywhere looks clean. This is where my light is, so this is where I'm gonna stay. Everywhere looks clean and good. So for breakfast, I just on my candle to not for the house to be smelling nice. For lunch, I have this stack of food. What? I have this stack of food. I have rice, I have yam, I have meat, some salad and stew. So I'm gonna eat all. I'll show you guys what I'm gonna create with all of this. Okay, so keep on watching. yam has burned. This is me and baby girl's lunch. It's pretty simple. Yeah, it's very, very simple, guys. This is our lunch. So madam is eating. Let me get fake for her. Yeah, eat your food. Carry your baby.
Understanding, you respected every boundary. You so exciting, wasn't expecting for you to be here still. I don't think you know. I don't think you know. She's doing to me. I'm blossoming. 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 You know, I was better off than afraid. My home, I used to hide them away. I'm thankful you opened up. Cause I only want you, yeah. Cause I only want you, yeah. Cause I only want you, baby, yeah, I only want you, yeah, 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 yeah.
It's done with the dishes, all clean. Let me put my infuser because this one is small, so I need to. I'm done eating, having my lunch. Baby has finished eating her lunch, so I'll try and put her to sleep. This is for her afternoon nap. I'll try and put her for her afternoon nap. Then maybe I'll edit videos or I'll watch Netflix. I don't know. So I'll see you guys pretty soon.
No one else has the same story. Stay with it, please. Stay with it, please.
The back of the outfit.
You can take all the time that you need. I know that you worry. Stay with it. You don't need to water it down. No one else has the same story. Stay with it, please. Stay with it, please. You can take all the time that you need. I know that you worry. Stay with it. You don't need to water it down. No one else has the same story.
So guys, this is how I spent my day, and today also was my daughter's 17 months old. I did took some pictures, as you guys saw. I took some pictures just like a remembrance. She's 17 months old today. Like, she's growing every day. I'm just saying new different characters. Like, now she's talking to her baby, carrying her baby and be feeding the baby food. So it's something new, and we'll see how it goes. Yeah, so I just want to say thank you. If you watched this extent, thank you so much. I really do appreciate, and I hope you enjoyed this little homemaking video with me. Hope you enjoyed this little vlog with me. I hope you enjoy it. So if you are not subscribed, kindly subscribe, like, share, and comment. So far, and I'll see you in my next vlog.